One of the weak points of the factory S chassis subframe is the traction arm pickup point. And not sure if you've ever experienced this, but it's a real thing. And what happens is this part of the subframe here will get ripped off. It usually rips all along the weld here and here. And Formula D never allowed us to modify the subframe in any way to reinforce it. Kevin Wells, the technical director, has now allowed us to use a part that he makes and sells to reinforce the subframe. It's the only one you can use. You can't use one from GK Tech or any of the other companies that happen to make one. And that's what we've got here. We've got them on our website as well if you want to buy them. And it's a pretty interesting design. It looks like it's going to work really well. We've already installed a couple, but I'm going to just show you the very basic install of it on a subframe here on the bench. So this is what you get: 6 laser cut pieces of steel, and how they go is on this side. So on the forward side of the traction arm pickup, you have one part is going to go here to kind of shore up that, and then this fella keys into it like that, and then this piece here will go in between them. And this subframe that I'm working with here is one of our quick change subframes, and it's already been blasted before we put a coat of steel on it, so I'll have a lot less cleaning to do than you would if you're using a painted or factory painted or powder coated subframe. So basically the areas you want to clean are right here. This, like the corner of this, the outside corner, and the inside corner here, and then this space here where the reinforcement plate lays in on it. And make sure you get in here real good as well. And then this whole surface here, you're going to get a couple plug welds or rosette welds, so make sure that you clean the surface as well. If your bracket fits or you can't get your hole to line up a little bit, you might need to trim this edge here like so. Just give it a little knife edge or take a little material off that way. Either way, no big deal. All subframes are a little bit different, it seems, so I've had to do that on 2 of these so far. Next step is going to be to clamp this side reinforcement plate onto the side of the traction arm bracket. Grab a 12mm bolt, or the bolt you use for your traction rod, which is not this, but it's what I got laying here. And just make sure that this bolt hole lines up, so make sure you've got some free movement there. You're all clamped on, and then the next thing you're going to do is rosette weld. Bam, bam, bam. And there you have it. We're all welded on. All you gotta do now is do the same thing to this side. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. If you want to buy a set of these support gussets, I'll put a link right in the video description for you. Thanks for watching.